Hey everyone, we are making baked Cha Siu Baos. These are Cantonese style barbecue roasted pork buns. And these are super traditional, either steamed or baked at dim sum and in the Chinese bakeries. We're gonna focus on the baked kinds today, and I went ahead and made the roasted pork to make my life easier. You can do the same. In fact, I highly recommend it. And if you don't feel like making the pork, you can also purchase it at a Chinese restaurant. Makes your life much easier. Hope you guys enjoy this video, have fun baking your wonderful baos, and let us know what you thought.